So now I want to show you the htmx indicator in htmx. There is a nice example that I have created, so I'm gonna it's gonna show you shortly. Here is indicator hx loader. Gonna click on here, as you can see, and now I'm gonna search for a product like hospital. There you see. I'm gonna do it again. Move it right here. There you go. Gonna search for pet. Look at this. This GIF basically keeps loading as I am as once I am done. Basically, boom, that works. So that is a nice indicator that hey, this is working. This is loading. Wait for the results. So that is great, and I'm gonna show you in code how I did that. So for that, we need an input element. We know all of this already. It does an HTTP request indicator hxloader.php, which is basically simple just echo, which prints the query parameter. And very important, I'm adding a sleep because I am simulating a delay. Okay, very important. You're gonna see the trigger here change delay. So it's basically as I type, then hey, wait, as I type, then it is gonna do the HTTP request with a delay of 300 milliseconds, and then the target, these results, or the results here, and then very important, the indicator, this one, this hx dash indicator, which is the spinner. This spinner is basically the image. This image is basically a GIF. So, and this GIF, I'm gonna show you here. Paste it. There you go. So it's basically this GIF that it's basically saying it's loading, right? So it's right there. So, but what is happening behind the scenes is that this is by default, this spinner is not being shown. Okay, is not being shown at all. So this is something to keep in mind, even though it's here, right? Even though the spinner is here, we can see that it's here. This is not being displayed. It is only displayed when I finish, typing something here. It's gonna be basically showing this spinner. I'm gonna show you. Take a look at the code. You see here how the class a class gets added, right? How this is added. Got this here. There you go. Let's do it again. You see, it says htmx request. Boom. Which means, hey, wait for it, right? Wait for it. That is basically what it's doing, and it's happening behind the scenes. So it's great to show this loading, right? Yeah. So this is a simulation of the indicator hx loader. Let me show you real quick also another demo for that, which is the loader version 2. This loader version 2, it's basically a simple button, okay? A simple button. But keep in mind the following. Take a look at this div. This is the parent div, and this is the button. So for that, I click on the div, which has a button, and that div is doing an HTTP request to here to the jokes one. What's Santa's favorite type of music? Rap. So that's the contents of that page. It's doing a trigger. Yes, when I click on the div, and it's doing the swap mechanism in our HTML, replacing basically. We have the button load jokes and the image. Right, this one. To have this class is very important because that class makes complete sense, because out of the box it's gonna be by default display as none. It's not gonna be displayed. We don't want that to be happening. So when I click on load jokes, take a look at that. Take a look at this. Load jokes. Boom. There you go. You see the image, which is the GIF, being loaded, and then once it is done, with once the HTTP request is basically has returned the results, then it's gonna do a swap. Basically, it's gonna bring the results from this HTTP request. What kind of doctor is Dr. Pepper? He's a physician, but it's here, so that works fantastic. Another again, load jokes, loads, boom, you have that result. So I hope you like this demo. You will see more videos coming for more examples for htmx, and I hope you like this demo. It will be ta-da!